Las Vegas judge posed in hot tub with public defenders, faces ethics charges. Don't clutch your pearls and play like you're shocked by all this. How do you think you got out of that DUI last year? See, America might run on Duncan, but its justice system definitely runs on favors. It runs on being able to have a good rapport with the people that you work with down at the courthouse, and that's exactly what they're doing, building a good rapport. A Las Vegas judge is accused of ethics violations. I guess whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas as long as you don't work in Vegas. The Nevada Commission on Judicial Discipline filed a formal statement of charges against Clark County District Court Judge Erika Ballou on Wednesday. Two charges Ballou faces center around social media posts, one in which she appeared to state that cases in which defendants are not in custody should be tossed out, and another in which she posed with two individuals from the Clark County Public Defender's Office in a hot tub and referred to tits. In the formal statement of charges, the commission referred to Ballou's Instagram post from September 19, 2021. Her caption on the selfie read, "Life is still beautiful, despite the fact that Billie Eilish doesn't start for 30 minutes and I have an 8:30 calendar tomorrow." What are they really mad at? Because she said tits? It's a therapeutic term. It's a soothing term. Now, prosecutors, public defenders, and judges, they're all basically colleagues. They probably took the bar exam together. They might have went to the same college. It's like wrestling. When Jesse Ventura would fight Hulk Hogan, they would smash each other in the ring, and when it was all over, they would go to dinner and everything would be cool. These people are not on as opposite sides of the fence as you think they are. They're colleagues. In reference to the first count Ballou faces due to the Instagram post, the commission alleged that Ballou violated 3 rules requiring a judge to promote public confidence and avoid impropriety and the appearance of impropriety, to put duties of the judicial office before their personal and extrajudicial activities, and to show that they can remain impartial. She went to see Billie Eilish, for Christ's sakes. How much more impartial do you really want her to be? The formal statement of charges also referred to a Facebook post from April 2022. Judge Ballou posted a photograph of her Facebook page of herself in a hot tub with 2 public defenders, Shauna Bowers and Robson Hauser, with the caption, "Robson is surrounded by great tits," according to the formal statement of charges. The more of this I read, the more it sounds like the only thing they really did wrong was posted this on social media. I mean, it sounds like they want her to lock herself in a cage and only come outside when it's time for her to preside over court proceedings. In a second count, the commission alleged that the Facebook post demonstrates that Ballou again violated 3 rules requiring a judge to promote public confidence and avoid impropriety and the appearance of impropriety, to show that they cannot be influenced. It was Billie Eilish, and to not participate in activities that would appear to undermine the judge's independence, integrity, or impartiality. It's not like she was on the take or anything. Goodness, it appears a public hearing for Ballou's ethics case has not yet been set. Ballou was sworn in as a judge in January of 2021 and has previously faced criticism. It just gives me the vibe that someone, or maybe even a group of people, might not want her in that position. Maybe they have it out for her. She rubbed somebody the wrong way. She pissed some people off. Oh well, there's no crying in baseball, but you know they came to be petty when they started talking about how she was referring to tits. You're the one making the decisions not to walk away from cops. You're a black man in America. You know you don't want to be nowhere where cops are. Ballou said, damn, you know you don't want to, when she flamed them, you know you don't want to be nowhere where cops are, because I know I don't, and I'm a middle-aged, middle-class black woman. I don't want to be around where the cops are because I don't know if I'm going to walk away alive or not, and that's a sad state of affairs when someone feels that way about the police across the whole country, not just Vegas. The Clark County District Attorney's Office was seeking the revocation of the probation of the defendant who Ballou was addressing. While on probation for a previous case, the defendant was accused of committing battery against an officer. Damn, she said that with her whole chest, like a defense attorney in a judge's robe. This is the same Las Vegas Police Department where a drunk, naked guy slipped out of a cop's clutches, stole his police cruiser, and led them on a chase. They have so much more to be upset about. And aliens. Before becoming a judge, Ballou was a public defender and social justice organizer. She was a member of the Democratic Socialists of America, which supported her run for judge. In 2016, Judge Ballou refused to remove a Black Lives Matter pin after a judge ordered her to. This made national headlines. The 8 News Now investigators reached out to Ballou for a response Friday afternoon about the ethics charges. They're just tits. It's Billie Eilish. A representative from the Clark County District Court said Judge Ballou would forego the opportunity to comment.